Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify e-file return, updated. Open your tax software account, locate the e-file status page, and confirm acceptance or rejection codes. Check your email for the acknowledgement and Form 6099 or 1040 e-file receipt. If rejected, note the error code, correct the data in your return, and resubmit within the allowed window. Save screenshots, and download the stamped acceptance for your records and future audits. To verify with the IRS, sign in to your online account and view your e-file transcript or return status. Use the Get Transcript tool for confirmation and compare the acceptance date with your software receipt. If timing differs, allow 1 business day and recheck, then document any discrepancies with screenshots. For amended returns, verify processing stages and watch for any additional correspondence or notices requiring action. Keep a printed copy for your files. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also check out the product seen here. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs nicely while organizing documents or hearing step-by-step prompts. I added the product link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Also confirm payer or employer transmitted their counterpart e-file, including forms like Form 1099 or W-2 e-file submissions. Verify amounts, taxpayer identification numbers, and recipient details match your return to avoid mismatches. If you find a mismatch, contact the payer immediately and request corrected e-file transmission or a corrected form. Maintain a clear timeline of communications and resolutions for any audit trail and future reference. Also check state e-file acknowledgements if you filed state returns electronically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.